What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, you guys seen we got the bars on that thing yesterday. The bags came in, so now it's time to head to the city, get them bags painted, color matched, and so forth. Without further ado, we got this thing pulled out, man. Let's check it out. Bright and early. Here she goes. We got the stock pipes on here, and haven't really heard it with the stock pipes, man. So let's give it a test. Definitely not as loud, which is cool for the neighbors and stuff, so I can start it like anytime I want to now. Still sound pretty cool though. Definitely might figure something out though. I love that sound that them fishtails had. Got the lights and everything up here, looking good. Their little speaker lights and everything, man. So you're gonna see, let this thing warm up for a minute, get a quick little ride in or something. I'm gonna go slide with y'all for a second. So I got some smoke. Look like it's some fluid or something dripping on the pipes. I don't know, I think it's from the brakes or something. Bit of brake fluid leaking, no big deal, but it is running pretty good, man. I'm digging it. Let's get it back to the crib though. Man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, dude. I just went on the real first ride on this joint, dog, and oh my goodness, it surprised me, man. This thing feels a whole lot better now. Like the very first ride, it was cool, but it was like kind of in limp mode. It went back and forth in between limp mode on the first couple rides. But we got the bar switched out, and I don't know what it was, but freaking it was no limp mode now. Freaking full throttle, all the gears, everything, all power. Felt really, really good, dude. Really, really good. I can't wait to get you guys that content, because freaking my camera little strap just broke, literally. But I'm gonna go get another one today, so we'll be sliding in no time, man. But now that we got that out the way, we're gonna load everything up. We're gonna move this to the front, get everything situated, so when we come back, man, we can get started on this bike right here, man. That blue is done. I can't wait to see that thing come together. Alrighty, now that we got that stuff moved around, got that orange thing back there ready for paint now. We got this silver thing that's about to turn blue. Then we got this bag that was broken over here so Antonio can reference to see how it's gonna be black and orange. And then I'm gonna take that one to him so he can reference that. So this should be pretty good. We just gotta get these bags detached real quick so we can have everything ready to go when we get to Tonio's. Alrighty, guys, so we got these bags detached and ready to go. Got everything in here, even got the bag latches in there. We're gonna go get those color matched as well. Like I said, we got the other bags over here so Antonio can reference. Then we got a few parts for this bike already, like all the stuff that's not getting painted already here. So we ended up getting another package here. But these bars are trash, so it's time to load this thing up and get on up out of here, dog. Alrighty, man, now that we got those things situated, got everything good to go, got all our parts pretty much ready to go. Our crash bar just came in, so we gonna be good to go there, man. So it's time to slide. We gotta go get a rear shock for the CVO right now, though, at Boulder real quick. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Alrighty, just pulled up to Boulder Choppers, man. Let's get these shocks for this bike, so when we come back we can slide. Got our shocks good to go now. Alrighty, guys, we just got to the city, man. We about to go pull up on Antonio and get this paint set loaded up, and meanwhile get this other paint set offloaded wherever it's at in the back. But let's pull up on Antonio and see this thing real quick. It's probably already wrapped up though. Just pulled up to Antonio. What's up, man? Woo! Looking good. Looking good. Antonio. What's up, man? How you doing? Good, good. Antonio got all the parts wrapped up for me already. I got a couple bags I want to get color matched. I gave him a car. Oh, yeah. Looks good. Let's see. Yes. Let's see it. Woo, look at that wetness. Blue. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That blue is definitely hitting, man. I'm loving it, man. Ooh. Yes, sir. And here at Tony Yo's getting this freaking gas tank. This thing look good. Yes, sir. There it is. Just put up on my boy Backhouse, man. About to get that seat for the CVO, man. I had to get that backrest. Y'all see my boy got tons of bikes over here, man. Y'all already know the deal, man. If y'all haven't already, go follow my boy on Instagram, Backhouse Customs. About to get this thing going, dog. Oh, I can't wait. Alrighty, guys. We have made it back to the crib, man. We got all our parts laid out right here. So tomorrow we will be tackling it. But we got the seat and stuff and everything, man. But we gonna start touching everything tomorrow, man. So it's gonna be a wrap for this one. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We done slid down to the city. We done picked up the paint set. We done dropped a couple of parts off to Dre. He actually picked up some more little parts for the CVO, man. So tomorrow we should be having a lot to do on our hands, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The marathon continues, dog. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.